One of my clients has their jet ski on a dock at Captain House Tiki Bar. She needs to get it out of there by the weekend. The problem is that the ramp is about a mile away from the dock, and I couldn't find anybody on such short notice to help me out.
This could go sideways, you know. I'd say it's a 50-50 chance that this is not gonna work at all. Step one, complete. I'm gonna start by going over to the dock and see if I can even get the thing off of the dock. Because if I can't, this whole thing is scrapped. We just forget about it.
Need these.
Let's go. Didn't need this, which I figured I would. I'm glad I don't. Step 2, complete. Now for step 3, my master plan. I mean, should I have waited and found somebody to help me? Yeah, probably. It's not my style. I'll do it myself. Haha, this is gonna be me in a minute. I'm gonna rock down to Electric Avenue. Oh, it's cold and slimy. The footwells are crossed. And we're off. GoPro, I mean, I swear, you have these things for about a year and then they're like, the files are all corrupt and it's always saying repairing file. Piece of crap. What's happening?
What's up, buddy? Dude, it's so fucking nice down here, dude. It's a little chilly, isn't it?
It's not bad. No way,
No?
dude. That's awesome. That thing's running out of gas. Oh my god. Okay. Now hopefully it's still there at the dock. We did it. Let's go get this thing washed up and winterized. I got my GTG hoodie on. I got the Ronin fenders, PWC tethers. They make my job a lot easier. So, highly recommend.